How to make resume on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a resume on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. And by the way, it's completely free to make an account on Wix.com. You don't need to use your credit cards or anything like that. It's completely free and free forever. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site. Then you will redirect to this page where Wix.com offers us to try an AI help. It's a Wix feature, but I won't do this. I recommend you to click on this button, set up without chat. The next step is that we need to create an we need to choose what type of website do you want to create. In the search bar you can type either resume like that, or you can type CV. It's up to you. I will choose, for example, just tutor resume and click continue button. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. Here it is. The next step is that we need to create a name for our website. So if we are creating a resume website, basically you need to type your name, but I will just type example because I'm just making a video, don't really need this website, and continue. So here you need to set your default working hours. It's completely up to you. I will not do it. And now I'm back to dashboard, and we can still we can see that we still have 5 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point: design your site. Most important and interesting part of this video, I think. Now we can decide exactly how we want to design our website, pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one, and I recommend you to do the same as I. And here we have our templates. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best and that fits you, matches you. I will just pick this one. I think it's pretty beautiful. And now we need to wait a little bit until Wix website editor is loading everything. And now we are on editor's page, and so everything is ready. Now we can move on to the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select page we are on our site, Also on the left we have functions such as add section, add elements, and so on. Here we can see our site is divided into several parts. Header, this is footer. If you want to edit this specific section, you need to double click on it. For example, intro section, double click, and here you can have your text, your photo. You can change this, pick your real photo and text your real information about you. It's very simple. You can double click on it and just type in I am a tutor, please hire me. So yes, as you can see, functions are really amazing. I think the site is very simple, and we need to add something more. For example, contact information, like contact us. Here you have it. I just pull it and it appears, and I will double click it and contact me, because I'm the only one tutor. Here I will have my number, my site, my working hours. You can also edit this. Everything you want to make, you can do it on Wix.com. In general, the site has a lot of functions, yes, so I recommend trying to explore it by yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.